Welcome back to the NJT Elimination Viewer Voting. In the last episode, Ordell was eliminated with 5 votes. Then these contestants were randomly chosen to lose. Who will be eliminated? Find out right now, on this episode's features. Alright then you losers, it's time to see who's going. The vote count is 6. Atlantic City, Rutherford, Hawthorne, East Orange, Trenton, Point Pleasant Beach, and North Branch are all voteless. Get out of my sight right freaking now. Millington, Montclair State University, and Hillsdale. You are the bottom 3. Let's get rid of the person with just 1 vote, and that person is Millington. Leave. Now it's just you two. One got 2 votes, the other got 3. The safe contestant is Hillsdale. Montclair State University, you need to say bye-bye.
Whatever. I don't really care. This show is just boring anyway.
You do realize you'll be in the same place as Bay Street, right?
Hello everyone, I'm here now. If you're asking how I did that, it's what you call beyond logic. Voting screen, how about JGYWRI OTV3WNOAFKJCHABKNUZVYGCXJSBJHDNJXAM